Hello guys, welcome back to Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel. This is your Nirmal sir. Again I have come up with the part 2 of chemistry, that is from question number 31 to 60 of KCET 2023 previous year question paper analysis and detailed explanation. Okay guys, so let us start with our today's class. So stay tuned till end of the video because I have a big surprise in end of the video. Okay guys, so let us start. So guys, question number 31, that is a better reagent to oxidize primary alcohols into aldehyde is. So what they're telling, primary alcohols to RCHO. What is this? Aldehyde. So which is the proper and like better and the best reagent can we use among this is, like we know oxidation of alcohols you would have studied in the chapter with a very highlightedly in the NCERT textbook they have given, that is PCC and PDC. What is PCC? That is pyridium chlorochromate and pyridinium dichromate, which is very important. So among this, where is PCC? Yes, it is in the option D. And why it can be only PCC, not with PDC? Because PCC is more acidic than PDC. Therefore, most of the time we use PCC as a better reagent to oxidize a primary alcohols into an aldehydes. Therefore, your correct answer will be option D. Okay, guys. Now coming back to, oh wow, again. So Abhyas KCET 2024, guys, this is another one exciting thing what we have done in the last year, and we have succeeded in Abhyas KCET 2023, and this year again we have come up with Abhyas KCET 2024. That is a 8 mock test series with a completely free, guys, and the link is given below in the description box. Kindly register with your email address so you will get all the updates on the PDF of mock test with the solutions on your mail. Okay guys, so please kindly register and share with all your friends so that for them also it will be helpful. Now coming back to question number 32, that is the correct order of match between the column X and Y. Okay guys, so this is your biomolecule questions, that is nothing but your coming back to vitamin A, everyone know that is night blindness, vitamin D osteomalacia, then vitamin E muscular weakness, and vitamin K increased blood clotting time. So this is very easy. So your correct option will be option C will be your correct option. Now coming back to question number 33, this is something where you have little different there. Now you have to understand what is the reagents what we are using in the P, Q and R. They have already given the products, but we have to find out the reagent. Okay, now let us see. So this is your aniline. When aniline is converted into benzene diazonium chloride, it is converted into benzene diazonium chloride. What do we use? We use sodium nitrite in the presence of dilute HCl. So here sodium nitrite in the presence of dilute HCl, which is the correct option. You can see, you don't have to see all the correct answer. Just one option or one or two, if you find out, you will get the correct option. Okay, so which is the correct option? You can see sodium nitrite, dilute HCl, sodium nitrite and dilute HCl. This is okay. So this option A and option C are wrong here. Now let us, we have option B and D. Okay, when benzene diazonium chloride is converted to benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate, it is converted into tetrafluoroborate, then we use fluoroboric acid. So we use fluoroboric acid. So where is fluoroboric acid among these two? That is fluoroboric acid is option D, and option B it is BF3, therefore it is wrong. Therefore you are left off with only one option, that is option D. Therefore this is your option D will be your correct answer. Then again converted into nitrobenzene, we use copper and sodium nitrite. Okay, therefore option D will be your correct answer. Now this is thyroxine is produced in the thyroid gland, is iodinated by the derivative of dash, and this question actually it will be in chemistry in everyday life, which has been removed for this current year, and your correct answer will be option B, that is tyrosine. Okay, now next is sucrose is dextrorotatory but after hydrolysis. Now sucrose, you know the sugar, it is a dextrorotatory right side. Now after hydrolysis adding a water, the mixture of the mixture after adding water, it shows levo rotation, that is the left side. Before it was right rotated, after adding water it shows the left rotated. This is because dash. Very simple and direct question they have given. Your correct answer would be, that is levo rotation of fructose is more than the dextro rotation of glucose. Therefore, your correct answer will be option C, that is levo rotation of fructose is more than the dextro rotation of glucose. You know that what is sucrose is made up of, right? Now, option C will be your correct answer. Now, coming back to again the question, receptors are proteins and crucial to our body. Everyone know receptors are protein and it is crucial to our body for the communication process. These receptors are embedded, means they are placed in dash. So again this question is from the chemistry in everyday life. So now this correct answer is nothing but your cell membrane. Most of the bio students can answer this. So it is actually a removed part, so you don't have to worry. Again, which of the following monomers form biodegradable polymers? Again, this question is from the polymers chapter and which is deleted part, and this correct answer would be, that is 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. Okay guys, now coming back to the next question, match the list 1 with the list 2 of the following. Again, when I see this question is of polymers. Again, it comes with a polymers and your correct option will be, see, caprolactam D, that is nothing but your option C, D, and vinyl chloride C, and coming back to, and 3B, that is nothing but your styride, option B, and propene, option A. Okay, so this is not there in your syllabus, so I can say that is directly, that is option C is your correct answer. Now, coming back to the next is, which of the following is a non-narcotic analgesic? Now, what is analgesic? It's nothing but your painkiller, and this is there in your chapter called Chemistry in Everyday Life, and which is not, we are not dealing with it because this year it is not there, and your correct answer for this will be is nothing but your option B, that is aspirin. Okay, so option B will be your correct answer. Okay guys, option B will be your correct answer. Now coming back to, which of the following statement is incorrect? Now we know that bond order of dioxide is 2.5, and coming back to bond order of peroxide is O2 2 minus, that is 1. When I can see this, therefore option A is an incorrect, therefore option B, C, D are correct. See here, bond order of O2 is always more than of peroxide. Therefore option A is telling that bond order of dioxide is less than the bond order of peroxide. Therefore option A is your correct answer, and this is your easiest question guys. Okay, so see here 2.5 and it is 1. Therefore this is your option A will be your incorrect statement. A gas at pressure at 2 atm is heated from 25 degrees Celsius to 323 degrees Celsius and simultaneously compressed to 2/3 of its original volume. Then the final pressure would be. So when you see this question, by seeing this question, we can say that we can apply the combined gas law formula for this. That is nothing but your P1 V1 T1 is equals to P2 V2 by T2. Okay, so when I apply this, so we know that P1 is 2 atm they have given, and into V1 they have not given, and T1 is nothing but 25 degrees Celsius is nothing but your 273 Kelvin is equals to, now we have to find out the final pressure, that is P2 we don't know, and V2 they have given what? V2 they have given 2/3 of its initial volume, original volume. That T2 is 323 degrees Celsius. When I convert into the Kelvin scale, it becomes 596 Kelvin. When I substitute and do this, I get 5.72 atm. Okay, I get 5.72 atm. Among this, whereas nearly it is 6 atm. Therefore, option A will be your correct answer. Option A will be your correct answer. Clear, guys? Now coming back to again question number 42, that is lattice enthalpy for the sodium chloride is plus 788 kilojoules per mole, and hydration enthalpy will be minus 784 joules per mole. Enthalpy of the solution of NaCl will be, we know that there is a formula, there is delta G, it is lattice energy plus hydration energy. When I add this and this, what will be the correct answer? That is, the bigger number sign is nothing but your plus, therefore plus will be your correct answer. So option B and option C will be wrong among two. When I add, we know that it is minus, so plus into minus is nothing but your minus. 788 minus 784 will be dash, it is nothing but your 4 kilojoules per mole, therefore option A will be your correct answer. And this is your deleted syllabus and it is from the solid state chapter. Okay guys, now coming back to question number 43, that is at 500 Kelvin. This question is really big and this is very simple. Let us look at this. So at 500 Kelvin for a reversible reaction, this is your reversible reaction. So I guess, okay, like this. Okay, so it is closed container and the equilibrium constant, that is Kc, is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5. In the presence of a catalyst, the equilibrium constant is attaining 10 times faster. Now this equilibrium constant is attaining 10 times faster in the presence of catalyst. The equilibrium constant Kc in the presence of catalyst at the same temperature, what will be the correct answer? Here you don't have to solve. Here if you use one trick, your correct answer will be there. You know, does this catalyst involved in any of the chemical reaction? No. And therefore catalyst has no effect on the solution. Catalyst has no effect on the solution. It just helps the reaction to move forward. Therefore, the equilibrium constant remain same as it is. Therefore, your correct option will be option C, that is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5. A weak acid with dissociation constant of weak acid is 5.9 and the weak base, that is 5.8, are mixed in equal proportion. They are mixed in the equal proportion. What is the pH of the resulting solution? They are asking. There is a very good and the direct formula we can apply, that is nothing but your pH is equals to 7 plus of half into dissociation constant of an acid pKa minus of pKb. Now 7 plus half of pKa is 5.9 minus 5.8. When you do this, when you solve this question, what do you get? 7 plus half into 0.1, and you get your answer as 7.05. Therefore, your correct answer will be option C will be your correct answer. Clear? Now coming back to temperature of 25 degrees in Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale respectively are. This is your some basic concepts of chemistry, and here easily you can convert it. Okay, very simple. When you know the Kelvin scale of 25 degrees will be what? Kelvin scale of 25 degrees will be, that is 298.15. So 298.15 will be, it is there in the option A and option D. Okay, so option B and C directly cancel. Now coming back to 25 degrees in the Fahrenheit. 25 degrees in the Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit will be having higher value than the Celsius scale. Therefore, we know that direct again. Therefore, option D will be your correct answer, or else you can use the two formulas, that is temperature degree Celsius into 9/5 into plus 32. That will be there, but that is confusing. You can directly use this formula. Okay, they use this trick. Now coming back to question number 46, the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in the sulfide ion. This is your sulfide ion with 2 electrons extra is there. Keep in your mind, and respectively is R. So now you can see that protons is equal to number of neutrons, therefore it is a 16. So 16, 16 and electrons are 16 plus 2 is nothing but your 18 electrons. So which option resembles 16, 16 and 18? That is nothing but your option A resembles, and your correct answer will be option A. Okay. Now coming back to, that is the correct ionization or correct order of ionization enthalpy of the given element, and this question is from the S block element, and you know that this is also a deleted portions, and it is the correct answer will be lithium, boron, beryllium and carbon. Okay guys, this is also a deleted portions. Now coming back to the next question, the composition of the water gas will be is what? It is a very simple and it's a known fact, that is nothing but your carbon monoxide gas and hydrogen gas is nothing but your water gas. Now coming back to IUPAC name of the compound, IUPAC name of this compound. Okay guys, so IUPAC name of this compound, so let me write the compound here, that is CH3 CH3 CH double bond CH, again here CH3 CH3. Now I'll name this, that is this will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. After naming, now tell me 2, 3 dimethyl, how many? That is but. At which position the double bond is there? At second position, and it is in. So 2, 3 dimethyl but 2 in, that is nothing but your option D will be your correct answer. Okay guys, now coming back to, among the following, which is the aromatic species? Among this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which set is represents the aromatic species? For being aromatic species, you have to know that it should follow the Huckel rule, that is pi electrons. So it should have the 6 pi electrons, or the 6 pi electrons, that it should follow the Huckel rule. Therefore, among this is benzene, naphthalene, and coming back to that is cyclopentyl dienyl follows the aromaticity, that is 1, 2 and 4 follows the aromatic compounds. Okay, these are the aromatic compounds. And coming back to question number 51, which one of the following gases converts hemoglobin into carboxyhemoglobin? Again, this question is from the chemistry in our daily life, everyday life, and this is correct answer is carbon monoxide. What is the oxidation number of sulfur in H2H2O8? What is this H2H2O8? That is nothing but your peroxy disulfuric acid. And when I find out the oxidation state of this, we can find out the oxidation number, that is H2, 2 plus 2x, we have to find out the sulfur, 2 into -1 and 6 into -2, therefore is equals to 0. When you find out, therefore x is nothing but your plus 6. It is a neutral compound, so you are equating with the 0 and it will be plus 6. Therefore, your correct option will be option C will be your correct answer. 30% of the solution of hydrogen peroxide is nothing but your 100 volume of hydrogen peroxide. Clear? So it is nothing but your 30% of solution of hydrogen peroxide is equivalent to the 100 volume of hydrogen peroxide. This is clearly given in the NCERT textbook. Keep in your mind. Okay. Now coming back to 54. The correct pair of amphoteric oxide is nothing but your, it reacts with both acid and base and even metallic oxides. Therefore, which is this? That is, again, this question is from the S block elements, and this correct option will be beryllium oxide and zinc oxide. Dimerization solute of molecules in low dielectric constant solvent is due to, guys, dimerization only comes in one bond. Which kind of bond? We have already studied in the chemical bonding, that is dimerization of solute molecules in low electric constant solvent is due to, is always in the hydrogen bonding. This is your direct question and very easy question, direct question. Therefore, option D, hydrogen bond, that is hydrogen bonding. Again, surface chemistry question. The swelling in feet and ankles of an aged person due to sitting continuously for the long hours during the travel is reduced. Soaking in the feet in the warm salt water. Why? Now, after long travel, what happened? Their feet will be swollen, and they'll keep this feet in the water, warm water with the salt. What happens here? What kind of thing, what kind of chemistry is happening here? Is nothing but your osmosis happen. Okay, so therefore osmosis is your correct answer. So this is a very simple question, that is a direct question they have given, that is a sample of water found in contain 5.85% of weight by weight of AB, molecular mass is 58.5, and 9.50 weight by weight of XY2, and the molecular mass is 95. Assuming that 80% of ionization of AB and 60% of ionization of XY2, the freezing point of the water of the sample is dash. Given that is the constant, the freezing point constant of the water is 1.86 Kelvin kilojoules per mole, and freezing point of the pure water is 273 Kelvin, and AB and Y are monovalent ions. They have given everything. Direct question it is. You have to find out the depression in freezing point of water sample which have been used, and directly you can use this formula, and when you substitute all this values which is given here, you will get the freezing point is delta T is 8.789 Kelvin. After that you will be minusing with the 273 Kelvin, you will get it as 264.2421 Kelvin. That is nothing but your option D is your correct answer. Okay, now again next question, match the column A of the type of crystalline solid with the column B, that is example for each type. This is again a solid state question. Now let us match this. Molecular solid, we know that it is in water, that is H2O. Ionic solid is magnesium oxide. Metallic solid is nothing but your magnesium, and network solid is nothing but your silicon carbon, that is silicon carbide, that is nothing but your, see here, P3Q4. Okay, let us check. P3Q4 R2 and S1. Therefore option C will be your correct answer. A metal crystallizes in a body-centric cubic lattice with the metallic radius of √3 angstrom. The volume of the unit cell in the meter cube is, again it's a solid state, and you will be using an formula, that is 4R into is equals to √3a formula you will use, but this is not there in their current syllabus, and your correct answer will be 6.4 into 10 to the power of minus 29. You can use this formula and you can do this, that is body centric cubic lattice. Okay, the last question for the KCET 2023 PYQs, and that is question number 60. If A stands for the edge length of the cubic system, the ratio of radii in simple cubic and body centric cubic and the face centric qubits are dash. You just have to tell the formulas, and your correct answer will be, that is your correct answer is nothing but your option A, 1 by 2a √3 by 4a and 1 by 2 into √2 by a. Therefore option A will be your correct answer, guys. So now we have completed the question number from 31 to 60 in this part 2 chemistry KCET 2023 previous year question, explanation and analysis. So guys, now we are in the end of the video, and as I said in the starting that there is a huge surprise for you in the end of the video. Here it goes, guys. So guys, you can join our Diksha KCET WhatsApp channel for all the regular updates and the PDF if you have registered for the Abhyas KCET 2024 free mock test series, and the WhatsApp link is given right below in the description box. Kindly click on that and directly directs to WhatsApp and join the channel, so that it will be helpful for you directly to get the regular updates on the explanation videos and the mock test paper PDFs and solution as well if you miss out in the mail. Now coming back to our very important update, I want to give you about the Lakshya KCET crash course, that is nothing but your crack KCET 2024 in just 28 days after your board exams. And this is your completely offline crash course which is happening in Diksha campuses. And more about this detail, the link of this video is given in the description box. Kindly click on the link and see the video for your detailed explanation. So guys, before ending the video, please like, share and subscribe the Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel, and kindly give us your all the valuable comments in the below the video. And guys, so today we have completed with the part 1 and part 2 of your KCET 2023 previous year's question paper analysis and the explanation of the solutions. Now let us wait for the mock test 1 and KCET 2022 previous years will be doing it. So guys, stay tuned. So today your Nirmal sir signs off. Mansinalo Nirmal, Matinalo Nirmal. Bye guys. Have a great day.